in this vlog we are getting the studio ready for the new year. So as you can see behind me, lots of mess. There's loads of stuff going in the bin. We're having a massive clear out. We've got a busy January ahead already. It's now between Christmas and New Year. We're technically short. We've just had one of our monthly maintenance customers in. As I'm here, might as well cater for them. And you will be seeing this the first week of January, if I'm correct. So by now we're flat out. Hopefully the studio's looking good if I get everything done before the guys come back on the 3rd. But stay tuned, and you're with me this week. So sorry about that. So we have already painted the floor. We do this twice a year. It's a waste of time. The first car that comes in, it will lift up, turn the wheels, whatever it is, it will just be ruined. So it makes it look good for about a day. And as you can see from the absolute chaos that is over here, we are having a massive clear out. Empty containers, old cloths, scrap tyres, you name it, it's going. We've got the area out here is getting cleaned up. So we're in the process of gutting out and just making the best of the space, because it was getting a little bit cluttered. But yeah, happy with how the floor's looking. We've got obviously the signs up on that wall. We're going to do the same on all of the other walls, branding and everything. And also, if we get chance this week, we will be completely changing the layout of the shop. So if all goes to plan, the counter will be moved over there, and we'll be putting a coffee machine and a TV up at some point. So we're putting a new desk here for dealing with customers, new and old, and then over there the product will be going. They're not disappearing. We still stock them, we still sell them. They'll be available online, but we're going to have a couple of chairs and a table for those customers that choose to wait while we do the maintenance on their cars. So it's now Tuesday, I'm still at the studio. I'm currently clearing out the counter, ready to push it back and improve the customer experience that we have here. By no means is it a bad one. We've not had any issues, no one's moaned about anything. But we're always trying to improve and progress, and now we feel that we just need to step it up again. So the counter's being moved, the products are being moved, and this will just be a nicer, warmer environment for customers to wait, if necessary, or while we go through the multiple options and the packages that we have, all of the detailing and PPF services that we offer. So the counter's now been gutted. There's just a few things left to clear out some of the cables and that from the computer. I need to disconnect it from the mains, and then we can push this all the way back. Yes, we'll be losing that storage, but to be honest, it just collects junk, so no real loss there. So the options are, we either push the counter all the way back, because it is a perfect size for there, or we move it over here, have it across that wall, TV above it, we have coffee machine, products, and it's a nice area. And then we either have a desk here, so that we can go through the services and the options for all of our customers, or we put the desk here, and then we have a table and chairs either there or there. We're not sure yet. I think it's going to be a bit of playing around with the layout and just seeing what it is that works best. So the studio is now looking absolutely fantastic. We've spent the last week cleaning, painting, rearranging, There's still some things to do, we didn't have time to do everything. The customer area is looking fantastic, which is just through there. I'll show you that in a minute. Everything is looking clean, the floor has been painted, the PPF bay is ready for a busy month, hopefully busy year. Now, all I've got left to say is Happy New Year. We're going to inlay some of the footage from the last 12 months, 2021, and we can't wait to see you.